Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2022 through 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 and you unlock the truck and your animated lights are not working, you'll notice the lights coming on here, your headlights coming on, those are actually called locator lights. And I'm going to show you how you can turn that feature on. All right, here's what we're going to do. And you can actually change the position of these icons. Here's a little added value for you. So the reason I show you that is because you might not find the settings button, or I should say option, on that screen. It might be on this screen. You have two different pages worth, but just so you know, this is what you're looking for. Settings, and then we're going to go into vehicle, which is going to be right here. And then we're going to scroll down to lighting. And here it is, vehicle locator lights. Obviously, you need to make sure that's checked to on. If it's checked to off, there's two different ways you can do it. You can turn it on here, or you can just do it right here without actually going into that option. And there you go. That's how you turn on your locator lighting or animated lighting. So I hope that tutorial is helpful to you. Tell me down in the comments if there is another GMC related tutorial you want to see, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.